Explanation of Sixth Continent. Now this is a, you register online and you open an account and you can link it to your Amazon account, which I did. It's just easier to sign in like that. And what it is you sign up, and if you put all in your information, I think it asks you for your name, your email, what your occupation is, like it's just a few questions. Then if you fill that up to fill it up, you can make it up. And once you reach 100%, you get some credit, some points, I believe it is. I don't remember if it was 1,000 or 2,000, but you get some points for that. You get, I think, a $5 credits to start off, and I think to start off, they give you at least enough to buy a card, a gift card, a $25 gift card for half the price. Like you pay $12.50 for a $25 gift card to start with, and then when you buy the gift card, you also get a percentage back. So on this account, I actually bought a Walmart one, but then like I guess they ran out, so they gave me back the credit. But I still kept like the percentage, the 5% of the value of that card, and they gave me points for buying it. And I don't know, I have like 15,000 points on this one, and it says I saved $5, which I didn't because they refunded my money. And then I just started it in March, at the very, very end. I think it was the day before, I think it was March, the last day in March. And I still have that $5 credit, so it kind of benefited me. And then up here, okay, if you see here, like, I don't know what this means, but it's just, you start up, and my other account I only have like a 2. The only difference is with this one and that one is that this one I actually bought a gift card and the other one I didn't. And in this one, I think I sent in some friend invites, which I don't know. I don't think I got any credit because the only one is like my sister and myself that I invited. And I never got the invites in the email anyway, so I don't know what happened there. But this is your wallet and your points, and then over here, like credits, like every time you log in every day, because you get 100 points. And here you show history, right? So let's see here. Every time you log in, like they give you 100 points, and some days they give you like some money, which is they're advertising. They get paid for advertising somehow for these gift cards, and if people don't buy their gift cards in a month, then that money goes to you. See, I got 31 cents there. Over here, 29 cents here. And from what I understand, you can only purchase up to half of the value of a card. So, let me see. Nothing. And then this one, 28 cents here. So I've only been on here for like a few days. And see, 84 cents here. Let's see. Oh, credit back for that card, I guess. Nothing. Okay. So, what's the other thing? Oh, and then, so here you go up here to shop, and go shop. And if you see that they got Amazon and they got Home Depot, but for some, you can't buy Amazon, you can buy Home Depot, and when you buy it, you get 5% off. 5% back from the purchase of whatever you bought. So see, this one says, or you can't see it because I blocked it out, but $25. I can buy $2, and I can buy one card, and it will cost me, let's see the bottom, 25, purchase value 25, credit $12.50, which I guess that's the highest you can get. And then you get $1.25 back if you buy this card. But I like the Home Depot, but the other one you can buy that I think is kind of better, and you can get any card you want basically, is on page 2. Sorry, page 2, and it's called this one, Gift of Choice. Gift of Choice. See, whenever it's purple like this, you can buy it. If it's not purple like that, you can't buy it. Let's see. Also, it's you can buy it for $12.50. You can buy the $25 one. And if I just buy it like this, then it'll be active in 2 business days. But if I buy one of these insanely expensive cards, then I can use it immediately. But there's something like if you buy one of these cards, you'll get even more points. There's some kind of benefit for it. But I mean, you have to spend $50, so I don't think so. But on the Gift of Choice, you can see you can get any of these cards: Walmart, Target, Amazon, Best Buy, and there's a whole bunch more. They never expire. Okay, sorry, because I blocked up. But you can pick any. Like, okay, they have Michaels. They have Macy's. We don't have a Macy's, but they have Home Depot, TD Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. They have Walmart on here. I already checked. They have Walmart. They should have Target. Yeah, they have Target, Talbot's, Roadhouse. Oh, and then there's see how you can buy smaller amount, 10, 25. I'm not sure how. I haven't actually done it, but I want to do it because I want to use Walmart. There's also that you can buy gas, but oh look, Olive Garden. Groceries with it, but you know the only grocery store we have is H-E-B, right? F-G-H. And no, they don't have it. So yeah, that's the one I would recommend you get, is the Gift of Choice, because then you can decide, I guess, later which card you want. And I've been looking on YouTube as far as, because I noticed some people have a lot of like points somehow, and I don't know, but I guess it's a new thing that people there's nothing on YouTube about it. The other thing that you can do is, like, when you buy a gift card, just go ahead and do a review really quick, and just make a little comment, you know, like shopping here about this gift card. And they also give you, I think it's 1,000 points